Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about time pickers. A time picker is a UI component that allows users to select a time of day, typically expressed in hours and minutes. It's commonly used in scenarios where users need to input or choose a specific time, such as setting an alarm, scheduling events, or selecting a time for a reminder. To create a time picker in Android, go to the layout and start with the time picker element. Here, I drag these widgets up and I remove this constraint from here. I'll add a vertical constraint up. So this is our layout. I rearrange the views because time picker is a big widget. And inside the constraint layout, I start with time picker element, wrap content, and here is our time picker. Drag and drop it below and infer the constraints. And here we go. This is our time picker. Also, give it an ID as time picker. Now, let's move to the main activity and I'll create a function here called display time picker. I'll start initializing the time picker, val time picker. It's of type time picker. You can write like this, equals to find view by ID r.id.timepicker. Now let's learn how to handle the changes when the user selects a new time. You can set a listener to be notified when the user changes the time using the setOnTimeChangedListener method. TimePicker.setOnTimeChangedListener, and I'll use this lambda expression. We have three parameters: time picker, I, and I2. This listener is called when the user changes the time in the time picker. These parameters, time picker, I1, and I2. Time picker is equivalent to the view, and you can name it as view. This parameter represents the time picker view itself. You can use it to access the time picker instance if needed. I is equivalent to hour of day. This parameter is an integer representing the selected hour of the day in a 24-hour format. It ranges from 0 to 23, and minute is I2. This parameter is an integer representing the selected minute. It ranges from 0 to 59. The purpose of the OnTimeChangedListener is to allow you to perform specific actions to handle events when the user interacts with the time picker and selects a new time. For example, you might want to update another UI element, store the selected time in a variable, or perform any other task based on the user's chosen time. For example, I'll store them into a new variable called selected time equals to string.format. And here I want from you to focus with me. To format the time as you want, I need to set the format here as %0 to D. 2 points. And again, I specify %0 to D, passing I and I2. And I2 refers for the minute. For simplicity, you can change hour of day, replacing I, and you can replace I2 by the minute. Here you can pass again the hour of day and the minute. Here I'm using string.format method to create a formatted string representing the selected time. Let's break down what's happening. This format is a string format that specifies how the numbers, hour of day and minute should be formatted. It consists of two parts, the first part and the second part. The first part, this means to format an integer D with at least 2 digits, padding with zeros if necessary. So for that, I specified 02. This means I need only 2 numbers, and if you need 0, you can put it like 04, 05, 11, 12, and so on. In the context of hour, it ensures that the hour is displayed as 2 digits. 01, 02, 10, 11, 12, and so on. The colon. This is a literal colon that separates the hour and minute in the formatted string. And this is similar to the first part. It formats the minute as 2 digits. Hour of day and minute, these are the values representing the selected hour and minute from the time picker. String.format method. This method is a static method of the string class in Kotlin. It takes a format string and a variable number of arguments, and in this case it replaces the placeholders in the format string with the values hour of day and minute respectively. The selected time declares a variable named selected time that assigns the formatted string to it. So after executing this line, the selected time will contain a string representing the selected time in a format HHMM, hour, minute, where HH is the 2-digit hour and MM is the 2-digit minute. This is commonly used to display time in a user-friendly and consistent format. Now, let's display this selected time. Let's call this function in the onCreate method and let's run our application. And here we go. This is our time picker. Now let us select 4, and so your time is 16:50. You can choose AM or PM. I select AM. So I'll select 5 and the minutes 55. So your time is 0555. This is how we format time and how to handle the changes in time picker.